Good day everyone. I am Enrico Meneses from the SCE 1M3. So I am here to talk about Jane Goodall, a scientist who is a pioneer in primatology, conservationist, and UN messenger of peace. So Jane Goodall's early life and background. Jane Goodall's journey began with a childhood passion for animals and nature. As she grew up, she worked as a secretary and waitress to fund her visit to Kenya, where she met Louis Leakey. Louis Leakey there launched her into the study of chimpanzees at Gombe Stream National Park. So, in scientific achievements, Jane Goodall's remarkable achievements is she published books and scientific papers advocating environmental conservation. Also, she redefined our perception of human-animal relationship through chimpanzees' social structure research. Also, she founded Jane Goodall's Institute, a pioneer chimpanzee, the habitat and conservation. So Jane Goodall she impacted society, which first change in animal research. Goodall work led to a shift in animal research methods, focusing on understanding behavior and social structures of animals. Second, in environmental advocacy, she inspired environmental advocacies and animal welfare, contributing to the growth of animals' rights movement. Also in inspirational outreach, through her public speaking, Goodall brought hope and inspiration to people worldwide. So personal insights, Jane Goodall, power of observation, patient, compassion advocate. So Jane Goodall's emphasized patient observation, understanding animals' behavior, showed animals share emotions and social dynamic with us, as she promoted compassion and respect for all life forms. So in conclusion, Jane Goodall, research pioneer and conservation champion, demonstrated the power of meticulous long-term studies for species conservation and environmental protection. An inspiration and role model, her life works inspires countless others to protect our natural world. So that's all. Thank you.